Now, as a course wrap-up, I just want to reiterate some of the things that we've covered about XML. First of all, XML is probably the fastest growing for one simple reason. Everyone has finally embraced XML. It's happened a few years ago, but it is now really coming to the forefront. Just as information, in the Microsoft Visual Studio .NET world, or the .NET Framework world especially, anytime data is moved internally by any of the .NET Framework, it is moved in XML format. XML is the standard that everybody can agree on, and it is making it very easy to pass data between disparate systems. So this is going to continue to grow and get to be a bigger and bigger thing. I can't stress strongly enough, for the health of your career, you need to get your hands around XML. XML, I've already mentioned, is based on standards. The best way to learn and understand XML is go out to the World Wide Web Consortium website, w3c.org, and keep up with what's going on out there. All issues about XML ultimately should be resolved out on the W3C site. Now, another thing, and I don't want you to get frustrated, you may watch this course and go back to work tomorrow morning and think, okay, now I know everything about XML, let's just see how they're doing it here. And you're going to see it implemented in some strange ways. Please understand, XML describes a standard for data description, a standard for the structure of the documents that hold that data description, but it may be implemented and handled in a number of different ways. For example, inside the .NET Framework, there are classes that we work with XML. Those are not standard. But if you understand the XSLT process, or the schema validation concept, then you will be able to figure out real quick what's happening there. In the Java world, same thing. They may use different classes, but they're bringing about the same technology. So I hope you've enjoyed the course, and please keep your nose in XML. Keep going into the various piece parts of XML, the XML schemas, the XSLFO, XSLT, XPath, and so forth, and continue to educate yourself a little bit at a time. Depending on where you end up in XML, one of those will probably end up being a specialty. But the more well-rounded you are on the whole technology, the better off you're going to be. So again, that wraps up our course. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned a lot.